So, there's a massive niche out there, and that's the math niche. This niche is absolutely huge. Now, it's so huge that there's literally hundreds of different sub-niches within the math niche. So, in this video, I'm going to break everything down so that you can fully understand just how big this niche is, and how to find so many niches. Now, why am I talking about the math niche? Well, there's a new software coming out on the 22nd of July, and it's called Math Worksheet Generator. Now, this software is absolutely awesome, and there's so much that you can do. You can create addition workbooks, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so much more. It's really easy to use. And if you're anything like me and is not very good at maths, then this is perfect, because you don't even have to be good at maths, because this software will create you math books in lots of different niches really easily. Now, if we get rid of this, let me show you a little bit of this software. Over here on the left hand side is where we have all the different equations. We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, step multiplication, lattice multiplication, long division, and we can do time and fractions. Now, if we click on one of these, actually, if we go back for a second, let's go back, we can see that there's lots of different styles for all of these equations. So you have 52 for addition, 45 for subtraction, 45 for multiplication, 45 for division, and so on. If we click on one of these, we can see all of these different styles that you can have just under multiplication. So if we keep scrolling, you can see all of that just there. And if we click on one of these, it's just going to pull up everything on the page. Now, I do have a way of using Canva in combination with this software, which you can make pages that look really good. Now, if we look over here, this is where we can play around with what's just here. If we click on here, we can play around with the rows. So instead of 10, we might want 8, and then we can update the workbook like so. We can do that for columns as well. So we might want 4 by 8. If we update, we can see that just as well. We can drag the sides like this, and we can play around and make it even longer with grid item height, or even the column spacing. So let's make that a little bit wider like so. Then let's just scroll down so you can see some more of these features. We can do regular, randomize, alternate, or even play around with the index margin, and so much cool stuff. If we scroll back up to here, this is where we can play around with the numbers. So this is the first operand range, second just here as well. But this software is just so cool, and you can make books so easy. Now, I'm not going to go in depth on how to use this software in this video, because I will have another video coming out about that very soon. But I just wanted to show you the basics of this software and what you can do. So this is what I created as well. This is what the software made. Just here, we have that all on the left hand side. And then this right here is what I made in Canva. So again, you're going to be able to make really nice looking math books. Now, why would you want to create math books? Well, there's literally hundreds and hundreds of niches, and that's what I'm going to share in this video, how to actually find all of these niches. Now, disclaimer, I will be promoting this new tool as an affiliate, as I am currently using it myself, and I know a lot of you would really love this software. I will also be giving away a huge list of math niches as a bonus for purchasing through my link, and a bonus course. specifically about creating math workbooks using this software. This course will not be available anywhere, as it will be a bonus for purchasing the Math Workbook Generator through my link. I will have a video coming out about this on Friday, along with more info about the software. But in the meantime, let me show you how to break the math niche down so you can understand just how big this niche is and how to find hundreds of niches. And if you're excited and want this bonus course, let me know by commenting bonus course down in the comments. So, breaking down the math niche. This is what we're going to cover right now, just so you can fully understand just how big the math book niche is. So first of all, you have school. You have pre-K, kindergarten, middle school and high school. You then have ages or different levels of education in school. So there's going to be first grade, second grade, third grade, fourth grade, fifth grade, sixth grade, seventh grade, even more than that as well. I didn't put them all in here just to make this slideshow a bit easier. But then you can also do kids, you can do adults, you can do teens, you can actually do age ranges as in 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10 and so on. Then you also have your equations, so you have division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, fractions, percentages. Now with all of these, they can all be combined with each other. So you might be looking for a division workbook for 4th grade or a division 5th grade math workbook. Same with all of these as well. So there might be a kindergarten addition math workbook. There might be a middle school subtraction math workbook. You can even combine these together. Division and multiplication math workbook for 5th grade. You could do addition and subtraction math workbook for 7th grade. So let me go over to Amazon and let me show you exactly how this works. So let me just go very broad so you can get lots of ideas. We're just going to type in Math Workbook. If that will allow me, let's do that again. Math Workbook. Now from here, just by using the self-publishing Titan's free Chrome extension, we can get lots of ideas just by typing in Math Workbook. So Math Workbook for kindergartners, 5th grade Math Workbook, 4th grade, then we have 1 to 3, 4 to 5, 5 to 8. So that's what I mean when I say you can do all of the different grades and all different age ranges as well. So just by using this tool, you can come up with lots of ideas. Now let's go niche down and see what we can find for division. So let's do that. Let's type in division, and now we've got lots of different ideas. So we can go from here. But then let's narrow this down even more. Let's do workbook. So division, workbook, and right here, look at this. We have grade 2, grade 3, grade 6, 7, 4, and then the words have changed a little bit. So division workbook, 3rd grade. Then it would be 2nd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, and so on. And you can do this for division workbooks. You could do this for multiplication. If I spelt that right, I have. And again, look at all these keywords and different niches that you could actually create these books in. Multiplication workbook for kids, for adults, for 3rd grade, grade 3 to 4, grade 3, grade 2. So this is what I mean when I say you can combine all these together, because people are looking for multiplication math workbooks for middle school, for high school, 1st grade, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, and a combination of both. So if we go back here and type in multiplication and division, let's just do that and again, we can see even more niches. So multiplication and division workbooks, grade 5, grade 2, grade 4, 4th grade. Lots of great ideas if you start diving deep. So, as you can see, there's literally hundreds of sub-niches within the math niche. If you put in the work and spend a good few hours researching this niche, then you should be able to come up with a huge list of math niches, which should look a little something like this. Now, right here is a huge niche list of just math book niches. There's over 300. Now, this was coming from my own personal research. I was spending a good day and a half actually researching niches, and then I decided to add it as a bonus for anyone purchasing the new software through my link. Now, I have blurred out all of these because obviously I don't want everyone to see them, but I just wanted to share with you so you can see just how many there is and all of the different niches which I have found here in the spreadsheet. So right here we just have standard math. So some of these are just going to be standard math workbooks, like first grade math workbooks, 10th grade math workbooks, 2nd grade math workbooks, and things like that, or also everyday math grade 1. We also have division, so these are going to be books specifically just for division. So that would be division books for 3rd grade, or a division practice workbook. Same with multiplication. Then we have multiplication and division. Let's move along a little bit. We have addition and subtraction, fractions, fractions and decimals, and also homeschool math. Now, even though there's 300 plus niches here within this list, this isn't all of the niches out there. There's still so many more than that. Now, like I said, if you actually use the method which I just showed you, how to find all of these different niches, and spend a good few hours researching, you too can come up with a huge list just like this. Now remember, if you do want this list instead, because all it essentially is done for you research, then consider purchasing the Math Worksheets Generator through my link when it does launch on Friday, because then you're going to have all of this done for you research, and it's going to be so much easier for you to create books around. Now, I am going to talk a little more about this software on Friday, so watch out for the video, because I will also be talking more about my bonus course as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.